Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do, alright, I'm not even sure how to pronounce this. It's in Portuguese. I don't know Portuguese, but this is the stitch I'm showing you. Okay, how it turns out. Super stretchy. The front and the back are the same. And as you can see, compared to some of these other stitches, it's actually, the way you do it actually turns out a bit wider. Kind of a, let's move this out of the way. Kind of a different stitch, which I'll hold this up if you want to pause and screenshot or just kind of look at it a little more. This one, your rows are going to be different. Let me see here. Okay, so how we do this one is, get that tightened up. We're just going to wrap around 2, then you figure 8 2. Wrap around 2, figure 8 2. Then you just wrap, figure 8, wrap, figure 8, wrap, figure 8. You just got to keep, because I keep wanting to go on this outside, wrap, and then figure 8. Your way back, you do the opposite. So I wrap, then I figure 8. 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 I wrap. So I got yarn stuck on something. Then I figure 8. And I wrap. Then I figure 8, which I have to keep kind of stopping and thinking because your first row across is opposite of your second row. So at this point, to finish the cast off for this, you just take that bottom loop over the top on both sides, which I'm going to do this real quick, and then you can see how it turns, how the cast on, what your cast on looks like for this stitch. And honestly, I personally think this stitch is a little more work than it's worth, because there are other stitches that will give you almost the exact same appearance as this one, and they're not as difficult to do. Which this one, it's not hard to do, it's just you got to remember which ones you're wrapping, which one's figure 8, and you got to do the opposite on the second row. Like every other row is going to be opposite of that first row. But this is what your cast on will look like. Alright, thank you for watching. Any questions, just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.